Hello and welcome to the heartbeat of the nation, Delta State, and I'm here presently to witness the fourth induction and the first graduation ceremony of Floritech Automotive Training Institute, Otokutu. Yes, it has come to stay here in Nigeria, having founders, having people with ideas, putting together their initiative to help others. And the Floritech Automotive Training Institute is a place where you come to learn how to repair, to be a technician basically. We've been able to digress from calling them roadside mechanic. But this institute has come together to help people to be a professional technician. Yes. Today that I'm here today, I'll be speaking with the inductees, the graduates, about their experience so far, participating in all of this practical and the lecture so far, because I'm very sure that this is going to be a practical section all through. I won't forget my name. My name is David Okoyemi from Nata News.
My name is Ida Gracious of the NECO Bureau. Why I chose it is because, first of all, I wanted to know why this vehicle moves. What's making the wheels rotate? At first, I was calling them tires, but for the terms of mechatronics, it's called wheels. So I wanted to know what's making the vehicle to rotate, the wheels to rotate. And again, I was told that ladies are not meant to be mechatronics technicians. I'm not expected to go into the auto world, so I wanted to prove them wrong. We have lots of subjects, but the compulsory one there is auto mechatronics. It's a module node which includes 13 modules: safety, history of vehicles, sensors, actuators, and the rest. OBD. That's what the auto mechatronics node comprises of. When I started 2019, there was few persons here. So at that time we had 3 months of observation, but because I was a quick learner, I started servicing a vehicle 2 months. So that then again, my colleagues, although we fight, we quarrel. Without quarrel, friendship no go dey, unity no go dey. We quarrel, but after quarreling, we settle our differences and continue with life. As of now, about the ladies not being able to go into the auto world, yeah, I've proved them wrong. I'm proving them wrong. I'll tell parents, specifically to parents, if your child has finished his or her SSC examination, sit them down and ask them what they want. Stop wasting your 5 years in the university. It will amount to nothing. You're just learning the Y, the X, the Y, the X, the Y, the X, the Y. And again, to young ladies out there, follow your dreams. The parents, after sitting down your children, then ask them what they want. If he or she said, okay, I want to be a nurse, take them to the university. Yes, university, after finishing the university, you can open your own hospital or stuff like that. But if they are going for mechanical engineering, they should not go to school. Take them to a vocational school. We have Navy Institute in Kaduna. We have Yabatech in Lagos, and we have Floritech Automotive Training Academy in Delta State. Why not take them to a vocational school for 2 years? After finishing those 2 years, they'll bring something, they'll have something to amount to. Instead of taking them to university, then after taking them to university 5 years, ask them, okay, what's making this vehicle to rotate? They won't be able to tell you. Okay, explain some parts of the engine. They don't go see anything if they tell you. That's just the basic truth. Okay, I had one friend, and he's a student of Fukri. But tell him to lose tire, I will not be able to lose the tire. But me, in 2 months of my training, I was able to start losing the tire. I was able to start servicing. So instead of wasting their time in the university for 5 years, 6 years, why not take them to a vocational school? And every vocational school, after finishing it, they'll give you a job. That's the advantage of vocational school. They are giving you 30% of theory and 70% of practical. The theory is for you to just go to school and go to the classroom and take some basic notes of just like OBD. If I'm explaining OBD, I will tell you the history of OBD, the on-board and off-board diagnosing, that's OBD. I'll tell you OBD 1 and OBD 2. If I'm going to engine, I'll give you the terminologies, that's the crankshaft, I'll tell you those things. But it's lots of work. University, it's lots of work. Instead of me going and stressing my head about physics, about mathematics, why not just come to the a vocational school where I can just learn auto mechatronics. The auto mechatronics, safety, everything is inside my notes. Instead of going to 5 years and wasting my time. At the old, I'll come back now, I'll come to go clean gutter. It doesn't make any sense. I was open to join the Navy. After finishing, taking my certificate, I started making the procedures of joining the Navy. Of learning auto mechatronics. So I'll be a mechatronics technician under the Navy, whatever.
My name is Floritech Automotive. I'm a student of Floritech Automotive Training Academy. So I have been here I registered for 1 year program. So I'm undergoing 1 year program and I'm graduating today. So my experience here, I've learned a lot of things here so far, like the practical aspect and the theory aspect. Like now I can proudly say that I can work on mechatronic vehicles with help of no one assisting me and all that stuff. Because our director here, she taught us everything we need to learn about mechatronic vehicles. So based on theory aspect and customer relationship aspect, I'm not scared of to meet anyone, any car owner outside. So I'm bold enough, courage enough to advise them on how to maintain their vehicles, like maintain their vehicles, engine tune-up and all that stuff. That's what I've learned so far in this place.
My name is Adebi Ikeni from Floritech Automotive Academy, and I am one of the graduation students that is graduating today. From my experience, I've learned many things about car. Before, I don't even know anything about car, but when I come to Floritech Auto, I know sensor, everything about car, how to repair, how to diagnose, how to put on, how to tell customer to check their vehicle every morning if they start their car, how to do routine maintenance for their vehicle. Because if you are going out, you have to check your water, check your oil, check your power steering oil, check your tire, check everything before you go out from your house in the morning. Why did I choose this? They bring this thing to my church. I don't even know that I'm going to come here. But when I experienced that it's the woman that have this place, I said, okay, let me go and try. Maybe I can learn more about cars. I just want to tell the ladies out there to focus on their life, to know what they are doing, to maintain how they are doing with their life. So they should come to Floritech Auto. This place is very good and very okay for ladies, for youths out there. Because I've learned many things, experience for this school. My director has done many things in my life. So I stayed like 2 years here, many. And I learned about parts, I learned how to talk to customer. I learned many things about car. Before, I'm not good enough to talk to customer. But when I come here, I learned how to read well. Because before, I didn't even like to read at all. I learned how to read, how to talk to customer. I'm not good because when I first come, I was like, can I do this work? I was reading, I don't think so. I won't lose courage, but she called me. She told to me like woman, like my mother. Talk to me like she's my mother, my mentor. So I was like, yes, I can do this thing. And let me say about parts. I learned many things because it teach me about parts, all the parts of the car, how to buy parts. For if your vehicle is spoiled, how to buy car. I learned that one and how to talk to customer. I learned how to be bold.
My name is Lucky, DKG Tuesday. I've been here for 2 years now and I have acquired a lot. During the period of 2 years of me being here in Floritech Automotive Training Academy, it has been a long journey and it has been a tough one. It's not easy. Being here is a great opportunity and anyone wouldn't miss. On here, we learn how to study on mechatronics, practical, and more. We also learn on how to go on customer relationship and preserving good customer relationship. We do dealership, a lot more like spare parts. When it comes to spare parts, we are not that, you know, and we do more on, we do lots. After graduating, I'm planning to start up my own auto firm, which I've already named Trust Wishes Auto. That's my plan. My advice for young men out there is that they should find the good talent in them before going anywhere for studies. Like vocational schools, we help them get to their destination more faster. Like Floritech Automotive Training Academy, we will help you get to your destination more faster in the sense of studying mechatronics. So my advice to young fellow youths out there is that they should find out the gift in them so that they engage themselves in acquiring skills for the betterment of their living and rendering a great purpose to the society in large.